Before we start editing, let's make sure your CapCut is installed and ready to use. In this lesson, we will go through installation, login, and setup so you can safely save and sync your projects. First of all, visit the official site of CapCut. Once you open CapCut.com, you can hover on the products and you will see the platforms: desktop version, mobile, or web platform. So in this case, we just need to download the desktop version, and we click on the desktop version, and then we will see the download for free. So let's click on that, and we will be guided to this new page, and it will download the CapCut automatically. So the installation is really simple. You right click on the CapCut itself and run as administrator. Follow the steps to install CapCut on Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS. Once you're done, create an account. Sign up for a new account or login using your TikTok or Gmail account. Once everything is done, you will see this page. First of all, let's go to the setting, and again open up the setting menu. In the setting, we have lots of lists. First of all is draft. All of this is information about where you will save your projects when you create a new project, and the cache size and everything else. So in case if you want to change the location of your saved folder, so you can do that. And in the edit, you will see other settings like step forward or back many of the frames, image duration. Each image that you will import, the default duration of is gonna be so many seconds. So you can change it to 1 second or 5 seconds, the duration of each image that you will import. And other setting like performance, and in the general you can change your language, desired language. In this case, English looks good for me. And let's head on save. Any project that you are making here, it will be saved directly in the path that you are choosing from here. In this space, you can just click on each of 3 dots of your project and rename those, duplicate them, or upload them. Even you can delete them. Great work! Now we have CapCut installed and connected to your account. In the next lesson, we'll explore the full interface step by step together.